In life, we often find ourselves at crossroads, faced with decisions that can alter our trajectories in ways we never expected. Whether it's grappling with personal challenges, professional dilemmas, or even a simple desire to improve ourselves, the notion of moving forward can feel overwhelming. In these moments, it's essential to remember that moving forward is a process, and sometimes the most effective way to navigate it is to take one step at a time. The first step in any journey is acknowledgement. We must recognize where we stand and the challenges that lie ahead. This awareness creates a foundation upon which we can build our progress. In a world that often glorifies rapid progress and instant gratification, it's easy to become disheartened when results aren't immediate. However, small steps are the building blocks of substantial change. Moving forward is as much about the process as it is about the destination. Life challenges often teach us valuable lessons along the way. Embracing the journey helps us cultivate resilience, adaptability, and patient traits that serve us well in all areas of life. When we accept that setbacks are part of the process, we free ourselves from the fear of failure. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, we can see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Each misstep can inform our future decisions, guiding us towards a direction that aligns more closely with our true selves. Taking the time to reflect on our experiences allows us to appreciate how far we've come. It serves as a reminder of our resilience and highlights the small victories that pave the way for larger accomplishments. Taking steps forward can sometimes feel like a lonely endeavor. However, surrounding ourselves with a supportive community can make the process more manageable, whether it's friends, family, or a group of like-minded individuals. Sharing our journey with each other can provide encouragement and motivation. The journey of moving forward is not a sprint, it's a marathon, characterized by a series of small steps that eventually lead us to our destination. By taking the time to assess our situation, embracing the importance of small action, practicing mindfulness, and connecting with supportive communities, we can navigate life challenges with grace and confidence. So when faced with the overwhelming nature of change or pursuit, remember, it's perfectly okay to take it one step at a time. Each and every step counts, and each one brings us closer to our goals. Progress may be gradual, but with patience and perseverance, we will move forward, transforming dreams into reality one step at a time. Feel free to visit my website for uplifting, inspirational apparel. SwabiDabi!